When you think about love, romantic, familial, or self love, what has changed most in your understanding over the years?
Repeat that again.
When you think about love, it can be romantic, family, or self love. What has changed most in your understanding about these type of loves? Whatever love comes to your mind over the years.
My biggest learning about love has been to let go. It's been about, just because you let somebody go does not mean you don't love them. I could very well love you, but I could say, Devanshi, you're on your own now. This is all I can do for you. I could very well do that with absolute peace, with no grudges, no hatred, nothing. So, the learning of love I want to say is that love does not depend on what I get from you. Love is how I want to show up in your life. And if that is not how you want to see me, if I can't show up in your life as me, I don't have to hate you, but I don't have to be a part of what I'm not. So the biggest learning that I have, the big, this is what I've understood about love. This is what I've learned about love in all these years, that just because I love you, I don't have to lose my identity.
Hmm.
Just because I love you, I don't have to show up in your space the way you want it to be. I could very well be, it's something as simple as you going to somebody's place as a guest. You can't say your house is like this, your house is like that, I will not come here. You go there, you adapt to the best level you can. Right? If you're not a religious person, if you go to somebody's house who are completely religious, you don't become completely religious, but then you respect their
Hmm.
schedules, you respect their setup, their energies, their environment, and adapt yourself according to that.
To an extent,
To an extent, you adapt, you don't change, you adapt.
you adapt.
Right? So I think that is what love means to me. That is what I've learned love to be, that you adapt, you don't lose. You adapt to a certain extent where it is working out for both of you. Because in the end, if I'm not happy about how I am being respected in your space, would I want to be there? If I'm not happy, can I make you happy? So I could very well love, respect, and draw the space. And I think that is what I've done with a lot of people in my life. I think you know
Yeah.
it best. I love them from the bottom of my heart, but then I respect the space. Let's not hurt each other,
Hmm.
and let's be happy in our own lives.
So I add something on this.
No.
So, I mean, what you're saying for me, the only statement that comes in is, yes, I love you. No, I cannot be in your life.
Yes, exactly.
That's, I think it's very simple, and I think we end up making it that complicated, camps and yoga and all that.
I
But
think that is why everybody is suffering in life because they make it complicated.
I think
Because
the
I
gap
love
between that, yes, I love you, and no, I cannot live you in your life, this is the suffering itself. Ki,
Yes.
yeah,
that.
yes,
That is not also the suffering. The problem is, because I love you, you are supposed to do something for me. That is where the problem arises. That is the story that people get stuck in.
I think अभी हो चुका है कि अगर मैं प्यार करता हूँ तो you have to show me that affection. It's not the
Exactly.
other way around, that the way you said it. Ki, yes, I love you and I can do this much only. That's
So
it.
love in today's times is not about what I can do for you. Love is about
You can
what
do.
I
I
want
love you,
you
so
to
you
do
have
for me.
to do
I
that.
what I want you to do for me. That is what love has been. And I think with my with you people also, I've never it's never been about what you people can do for me. I think as far as I know, I have been very verbal and vocal about my expectations of you from you, which I've tried to keep it as bare minimum, because I'm aware expectation is what creates issues.
Hmm.
But then wherever the expectations are, I believe I have been very clear and
Yeah.
vocal about it, and I've set the boundaries that way, that this is what I expect out of you, and I'm not going to take it anymore, any different. Not because what I want, but because what I want for you,
Hmm.
somewhere or the other. But still, it's my want, what I want for you also. But yeah, this is what something I would really hope I can teach you about love.
Okay.